Introducing the Business Management System 12-in-1 Pack for automating inventory, daily sales accounting and financial report. First is the dashboard showing real-time business performance by month and year based from your data inputs. Start by setting up your business info and categories by simply filling in the yellow fields. Next, list your products or services with details such as cost and selling price. You may insert additional columns as needed. Then, under Stock and Log, you can add new stocks along with date, quantity, and status. In here you'll see a summary of your inventory availability and status. Under Sales Listing, record each sale with the date, item, quantity, discount, status, and sales channel. This includes customer details and possible VAT computations. For invoice creation, simply select the sales number to automatically input the purchased items, then type in the VAT rate and other fees. Under Expense Listing, input each expense with the date, category, description, total cost, and status. All amounts are automatically totaled by date and category for easy tracking. For raw supplies and materials, list them below along with other details for monitoring cost and available stocks. You'll also have a daily sales report and profit summary for business review insights and ranking of your best-selling items and top sales channel. Plus, an expense report with daily, monthly, yearly and by category breakdowns. Setting target metrics is also helpful to keep track of business progress and task completion. Lastly, a business financial report, along with income and cash flow statement, where you can log the cash inflow and outflow to know your available balance. Streamline the workflow across your business and elevate system performance. Grab one for your business today.